I wanted to come on to wish all of you. In fact, turn that off.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. That this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Here's my little hot cocoa bar. I rearranged it a little bit. And I love my mugs that say, "Baby, it's cold outside." There's the marshmallows, the peppermints, the cocoa, and all kinds of goodies with the little sign, "Have a cup of cheer." Here's some nice, yummy chocolate cupcakes. All dressed up in their fancy reindeer Christmas attire. Here's my grandson Aaron. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
He's opening up this giant 46-piece box of Russell Stover chocolates. Look on the back, Aaron. It shows you what's in the box, I think.
And his Nana's going to eat
See that? Let me see. Oh, yeah. It tells you what's in the box. You can eat that whole box?
Yeah.
And down there is the Trader Joe's Taste of Caramels. There's all different caramels in all different flavors. Aaron, are you going to unveil the chocolates for me?
Yeah.
All right, let's go check this out. See what's in there. Holy moly's! That's a lot of chocolate, isn't it, Aaron?
Saucy blueberries. We used to put sour cream.
Very yummy.
Good.
Whoa, oh, oh.
Hey, we're going to be bobbing for candy canes. And on this match, we have Aaron, my grandson. Hi, Aaron.
Hi.
He's 12. And over here, we have Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Lucas is going to be 7 soon. No hands allowed. Use your mouth. Don't bite on the candy canes to break them. And when you catch them, put them in your cup. So they will have 1 minute. Who's doing the timing?
I am.
Oh, Dawn's doing the timing. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go.
That's all done, that one or not? Oh, wait a minute. Was that? Oh, yeah, that was that one, right?
Yeah, that's blueberry.
Right. Whoa, almost, Lucas. Go ahead, Lucas. You got it. Oh.
You guys are biting them.
Well, Lucas has 1 in the cup, Lucas. All right. Aaron, you have any in the cup? Aaron has 1 in the cup. This is going to be a close race. There they go. We have all flavor candy cane. Oh, did you get a double, Aaron? Oh, wow. Look at that. Come on, Lucas. You can do it. You can do it. Oh. Whoa. That's it, Lucas. Get the end. Oh.
I hear you breathing.
On the roof.
There they go. Woo. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Time's up. Okay, my 2 grandsons, Aaron and Lucas, are going to be bobbing for candy canes.
Round 2.
And they're going to go for 1 minute. No hands. And whoever gets the most candy canes in their cup wins. So, are you ready? On your mark.
Hold on, my slippers are falling off.
Get set. Go. There they go. Woo! Aaron's got 1. Go ahead, Lucas. Don't pay attention to Aaron. Pay attention to the candy canes. Woo!
Oh, you
Oh,
got double.
we got a double candy cane. Come on, Lucas. You know how to do it. Woo! Oh, Lucas is having trouble on this round. Ah. Go ahead, it's all for fun.
Mine broke.
Oh. Don't bite on them. Don't bite on them. How many more minutes, Dawn?
We have
How many more
around
seconds?
Why does this keep
15
breaking?
seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
So, on your mark. Get set.
I didn't like it.
Go.
Stand up.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. All right. Come on, Lucas. No, using your hands. Woo! You got to get the end of the candy cane. All right, Aaron.
You can fix it with your hand. You just can't use your hand to get it.
Yeah.
Have it so that you can-
Oh, there they go. There they go. How you do? Oh, good, Lucas. Lucas has got one. Very good. Go ahead. Go ahead, Aaron. Wow, they're doing great. Oh, Aaron had a broken candy cane. Come on, Lucas.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, you got an Oreo one in there. Oh, go ahead.
10 seconds.
Good job. 10 seconds left.
10,
Oh,
9, 8, 7,
Woo!
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Mine broke.
Time is
Oh,
up.
no. All right, well, how many you have in there? 3?
Yes, 4.
And you have 4? All right, so Aaron's the winner of this round. All right, Kyle is going to play the candy cane bobbing game. He's got 1 minute to see how many candy canes he can get in the cup without using his hands. Ready, set.
I use my hands to fix the candy cane.
Yeah, you can do that. Go.
So hard.
I know, it's tricky. You have to try to get him around that hook of the candy cane. Whoa.
Loose candies.
Whoa, 1 down on the floor.
Loose candies. Loose candies.
Kyle. Kyle's not having much luck.
0.
Come on, Kyle. Go, go, go. All right, and he's got 1. Hurry up before that timer goes off. Whoa, he's almost got another one. An Oreo one. Oh, lost it. Timer went. Oh, all right. Is that a double?
Yeah.
So Kyle has how many?
The most. That's 3.
3. All right. Put them in your pile to take home.
Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da.
You know how to zoom out or in?
What is it, babe?
I don't know.
That's not. No. Let me go to
Jake, look here. Just look.
Well, they also got
Jake, look. Trust me. What the poop is this?
Oh, just what you wanted.
Oh yeah, the drawers.
Wow, for your office.
For my gaming setup.
Yeah, you can put your games. I know.
The Giants hat that lights up.
This is the way.
Go show Daddy. He'll show you.
How do you light this up?
I need to fit. What was it, the Barcelona?
Okay, gotta get Nan on this one.
I know. I
Zoom
have
in, zoom in.
I know. I have a zoom.
Could be one of your favorite gifts.
It's not going to jump out at
You
you.
know?
Aaron, are you sure it's not going to jump out at you?
He doesn't know what it is.
I'll go tell him. I thought.
Turn it around. It's Donald.
Oh, how cute is that?
Wow.
It says try me. You can take it out later, but here's try me. Where's the thing?
Right there.
There's a hole there.
Oh, here.
And then I tweeted, you know,
It's exact voice. It's all different sayings.
newspaper without the losses. It's incredible.
I saw that. I said, that's perfect for Phyllis. Hold it up to the
Is he
camera.
gonna say "Make America Great Again"?
Yeah.
He hasn't say that.
Phyllis got a Donald Trump doll.
You gotta see that.
Oh, new sandals. Thank you.
Oh, yeah,
I need a new sandal.
I always hook you up every year.
Thank you.
New elites.
So it's either?
The sandal one from Jake and
I
Aaron.
know exactly what that is.
Let's see what's in there.
They good, Kyle? Size-wise?
You're all
Oh, those are like brand.
What?
Oh, you did?
Let's see. Do they fit you?
Wow, Mom, you're over 2 today.
Sorry.
Now you have your own.
I'm gonna use the ball for you.
We can keep them at your dad's.
Yes, they stay at your dad's house. Whoa, just like the big kids. They fit?
Off the back.
What?
You gotta stand up and.
Stand up. Do they fit?
Yeah.
They're not too tight? Okay.
It's like
I saw
grabbing.
that.
What is it?
Mom,
What are those so big?
Mom, you're like in the worst position.
It is, you're right.
Whoa.
Use a ratchet, Kyle.
You ever seen Sweet?
But the lovely lady.
Dad, guess what I got, Dad? Another box.
Oh, you already got one.
All set. Now hold it up for the camera.
You never can run out. That has Axe shampoo in it. It's a new
Mom,
thing.
give me the same exact
Oh,
color.
really?
Mom, say one thing. Kyle, look at it. Oh, yeah.
I can see him, Jake. I'm going to be doing a lot of editing
Look at that.
with this video.
Oh, he's zooming in.
What's that? Thank you, thank
I
you.
have a small.
Wow, look at those hands.
I put some in the kitchen.
Emoji
I'm
hands.
gonna wear this.
What is it? Oh, that lights up that package.
Because they choked.
Kind of separated.
Put my Lucas
Easy
from
to-
Aunt Dawn and Uncle... Jeez, Uncle Jason.
He doesn't care.
I didn't
Just
even
give-
finish saying who it was from.
You let it.
Online?
I know why you gave it to me because I'm an artist.
That's right.
What is it? Let's see.
That's a glow, a glowing.
Oh,
It glows with lights and it's an
it says,
artboard.
turn it around there. It says,
Almost died. Lucas, show the camera.
ultimate light.
Wow.
We could set maybe the
Two
show that
Dawn,
later.
Mom and Dad.
We can play with that later.
She's looking for her gift. Aren't you? You're looking for your gift.
Wow, Mom looks interesting so far.
Can't figure out how to open it.
Sweetheart.
Can the mailbox is open?
Oh, mailbox is open.
What is it?
Yeah,
Amazon gift card. Amazon gift card.
Can I have it?
Like 50.
Do you buy stuff on Amazon?
Yes.
Oh God.
Look on the back.
Nice big boxes for your daily
Jason,
stuff.
look on the back.
In the back, big German Shepherd?
His zone.
I have
What is that, Phyllis? You got, oh, a German Shepherd calendar.
that one's Zoe, that one's that.
Debbie. You're so cute.
Very good.
Yeah, mama.
Dad, I got her in the camera.
Pebbles?
Oh, very
is that,
nice.
Dawn?
It's a teacher mug.
Teach
wow.
peace.
Yes.
Nice.
Because you are a teacher.
Thank you.
This is
I
to
am.
Scott for Mom and Dad.
From Grandpa and Grandma.
Thank you.
Dolores and Cameraman.
Amazon.
Nice. You Dasher? Wow, beer bread. I like beer and bread.
I saw you on the internet.
Perfect combination.
You're like, what are you laughing at, Kyle?
Hold it.
Dang it.
One pajama. Mom, excuse me.
Yeah.
Thank you, Grandma.
Yes,
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Santa Claus today.
I'm the new cameraman.
We got bones and bowls and all kinds of stuff.
You talking to me?
Beer bread.
Oh, another gift card for
Nice.
Uncle Scott.
Yay.
This is
That's baseball card.
I didn't know. What is this?
Lucas, show the camera.
Baseball cards.
Show it to us.
Wow.
hold it up. What do you got
You
there?
collect the baseball cards, Lucas?
That looks
Starting
nice.
now.
Oh, a whole box of baseball
Whoa.
cards.
Anyone on the cover?
What?
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running